completely off, doesn't it?
No, it's a turn.
Oh, okay.
I had them in a spot repair. There's PVC right there. See?
Okay.
Something.
Right here.
Yeah, something was replaced.
Huh. Yeah, see, I can't recall that. I'll ask Joyce if she can remember that. Oh, now the PVC from the center and back were replaced.
Hmm?
This where the main downspout and the
in the yard?
yeah,
Or here?
Yeah, in the yard.
Well, I'm talking about something over here. Something in 4-inch.
Well, we had the PVC replaced at this downspout. I'm sorry, in the stairwell.
Okay, that might be it.
That was all redone.